So what should I do for an introduction?
I don't know, say something about Jeeps.
Fuck yeah, Jeeps! Alright, so I gotta get my shift knob back on. So I'm gonna use this. We're gonna see how well it sticks. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. Okay, so I just put the Liquid Nails clear seal on. I put it inside the head of the gear shift, and then I went around the outside and sealed that too. I'm gonna let it cure for 24 hours and then see how well it works. While I'm waiting for the stick shift to dry, I am going to start sanding down some more of the car.